In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Clickup recurring tasks. Recurring tasks are helpful when you have work that repeats on a predictable schedule, like weekly check-ins, monthly reports, or routine maintenance. Instead of recreating the same task over and over, Clickup can automatically generate it for you. This keeps your list consistent and saves time, especially when multiple people rely on the same process. To get started, open Clickup and go to the list where the task lives. Make sure you are in the correct workspace and viewing the list that contains the task you want to repeat. Recurring settings are applied to a specific task, so it helps to choose a task that already has the right name, description, and any useful details. The more complete the task is now, the better each future occurrence will be. Next, click on the task you want to make recurring. When you select it, the task details will open so you can adjust settings. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct item. A good tip is to apply recurring schedules to tasks that represent the work itself, not just reminders, so that each recurrence can be tracked and completed properly. In the task options, find and click Set Recurring. This is where you tell Clickup that the task should repeat. Once you choose this option, the recurring configuration is applied to the task. In general, recurring tasks are best for work that needs consistent follow-through, because Clickup will keep creating the task again based on the schedule you set. This helps prevent missed deadlines and reduces the need for manual copying. After you have set the task to recur, click Save. Saving is important because it confirms the change and locks in the recurring behavior. If you navigate away without saving, the task may not repeat as expected. Once it is saved, the task is now set up to recur going forward. From this point on, Clickup will handle the repetition for you, so you can focus on completing the work rather than rebuilding the same task each time. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.